Don't judge too quickly. You might be wrong. One evening, a man called his friend and said, "My wife and I are coming over tonight, God willing." His friend welcomed him warmly, then added, "I'd be happy to see you both, but I have a small request." "Go ahead," said the man. "Could you bring a fancy cake and a few other items from that well-known shop in your area?" The man was a bit surprised and asked, "For us?" His friend replied, "No, actually, I want to celebrate my son's success. I couldn't go out today, and I want to surprise him. You're the only one I can count on right now." Without hesitation, the man generously bought everything his friend asked for and paid a large amount of money. When he arrived, they were warmly received, and the evening was filled with joy and laughter. At the end of the night, the friend smiled and said, "There's a big piece of cake left. Please take it home for your kids." He handed him the box and said goodbye, but never mentioned the money. On the way home, the man was fuming. "This is outrageous. How could he take advantage of me like that?" His wife tried to calm him down. "Maybe he forgot, or he'll remember tomorrow." But he kept ranting, "No, this is pure disrespect." When they got home, still angry, he called his children to share the cake. He opened the box and, to his shock, found a note inside. It read, "I know you wouldn't accept the money if I gave it to you directly, so I placed it in the box without your knowledge. Thank you from the heart." And the full amount was there. Embarrassed and overwhelmed, he asked his wife, "Should I call him and apologize for my bad thoughts?" She smiled and said, "There's no need. He believed you'd never take the money. Let him keep that beautiful thought of you." Moral of the story: most of our problems come from misjudging others and misinterpreting words and actions. If only we gave each other the benefit of the doubt and made room for kindness, much pain and misunderstanding would disappear.